Okay, everybody, you've decided you want to start trading and you're looking at day trading. Is that the only kind of trading there is? You've looked online, day trading this, day trading that. Listen, I'm going to give you guys something right now. 5 signs you need to quit day trading and start swing trading. You maybe didn't even know there was a different kind of trading. You're new to the trading world, or maybe you're not so new to the trading world, but you've never heard of that before. Listen, day trading, is it doable? It can be doable, but it is highly demanding. In the trading world, this is the hardest way to start trading. Okay. There are pitfalls specific to day trading that you probably don't even know about. I say that because I've coached thousands of people. I speak to people who want to learn, have started to learn, are hoping to learn more about trading all the time. And I have heard firsthand they don't understand sometimes all of the key pitfalls that face day traders. How are we supposed to get past them if we don't even know what they are? If you don't have coaching, someone further along giving you some of this information, showing you, listen, there's a lot of information online, isn't there? It's not just about information, it's about application. If you don't even know what questions to ask about day trading and what you're trying to do, you're trying to make money in the financial markets. This is a good thing. We love this here at TRADEway. We encourage people to learn how to do this. Getting into day trading is diving right into the deep end of the pool with some of the most difficult, competitive forces, financially speaking, on earth. Now, that sounds like a super dramatic statement, but it's actually true. Okay. You're competing against the biggest money in the world. So if you don't have coaching, knowing what you're getting into when you're getting into it, how's this supposed to work? Right? Blair, you're being a little bit intense about this. Well, it's because there are factors here at work that I know impact real people when they start. Again, I love that people start trading, but starting in this area, again, is very, very difficult without the right training. And for a lot of people, there's another style of trading that is much, much more suited for them. And trust me, I've learned a lot of these things the hard way. Okay. You may be feeling like I just keep losing. I'm just super emotional. It's taking a ton of my time. We're going to talk about these things right now because there are five, it's probably not the only five, but these are my top five reasons to say, you know what, I think I need to pump the brakes on this day trading thing and learn more about what traders do outside of that. Because, yes, there is another way to do this that isn't just day trading. Okay. Recognizing even one of these could be enough for you to say, okay, what's another way? Let me see. That could fit you so much better. Here at TRADEway, we've been around since 2009, tens of thousands of active students in the stock market. So this isn't our first rodeo. We have trained a lot of traders and we know how to train and fit trading skills into somebody's life. Because if you can't fit it into your life, what good is it going to do for you? All right. So, sign number one that you need to pump the brakes on the day trading, you're super crunched for time. Okay. Most people I know have pretty full lives. Being able to day trade is something where we're in front of a screen for sometimes large portions of the day. This isn't necessarily possible for many. In some cases, most people, most of the time. And again, if you don't know what to do, even if you do have that time, having more time can actually make it even harder. Not having any time makes it impossible. So, spending a ton of time in front of a computer is not necessary with the style of trading that we teach here at TRADEway. We want you to be able to walk away from the screen and have your money work for you while you're doing what you need to do, while you're doing what you're called to do. That is the master key we want to unlock here when it comes to the stock market. Number two, okay, number two, you're in there and you're trading without a system. There's all kinds of big promises online about day trading and this and that. The stock market, there's an old saying that it's the hardest easy money you could ever make. Most people get into it not understanding how to navigate the markets with a system. We need a system. I spoke to a pilot on the phone yesterday. It's a true story. I spoke to a pilot, American Airlines, 40 years he'd been flying. I said, "Do you have a checklist that you go through before you take off?" He said, "Yeah." I said, "You've been there 40 years." Okay. He's been flying for 40 years. "Do you still use that every single time?" He said, "Yeah." That's what trading is. We need to have a system that helps us navigate it. If we're trying to dive into the deep end of the financial markets and we don't even have a system for knowing what to do to be profitable, then we are not in the right place. We've got to, again, pump the brakes and learn. Warren Buffett says an investment in yourself always pays the best interest. So let's pour something in here so that we can go out and actually perform in the markets. We need to have a system. Now, not having a system, whether we're day trading or any other kind of trading, okay, is not financially wise. Okay, so that's true in all scenarios. But if we're doing it in day trading, it's going to be brutal. Okay, I'm just being real with you. It's going to be brutal. It's going to be fast. It's going to be competitive. And that's not the place you want to do it. We want to be able to, as I like to say, ride the bike on the grass, right? We're learning to ride the bike on the grass. Hey, it's okay if we lose balance from time to time. It's not going to hurt us a lot, okay? So we want to have a style of trading that allows for us to grow without it being so intense. And that's something we really care about here at TRADEway because we want to preserve your capital. We want to show you a safe and smart way to start doing this. And that is not day trading. Okay. Number three, third sign that you need to slow down, stop the day trading is you're just winging it. You're just in there and you're just going, you know what? I'm going to make it happen. I'm just going to go for it. I like to say trading is never guessing, gambling, or going for it because I meet a lot of people who think that it's one of those three or all of the above. Never guessing, never gambling, never just going for it. Quick thought, when you go to a casino, I know you don't go to casinos. I don't go to casinos either. But if we did, do you think the casino gambles? Does the casino gamble? No, they don't gamble. They have a very specific edge system for all the games. It's a game for everybody else. It's guessing for everybody else. It's not for them. We know this because they are insanely profitable, so much so that they can build castles in the desert. Okay. They are not gambling. Real traders don't either. If we go into day trading and we are winging it, that is what we are doing. We are gambling. And over time, the house is guaranteed to win. Now, you say, well, does that mean traders never make money? Remember, the difference is traders never guess, gamble, or go for it because they're not winging it. They actually have, as we mentioned in the last point, a system. So if you're not seeing the results you want, you're not even really sure what you're doing, the financial markets day trading isn't a place where perseverance alone is going to be enough to create success. It's a great character quality, but it is not going to be enough to produce the results alone. We need to have more. Sign number 4 that you need to stop day trading, it's too emotional. You're finding that you're making your decisions primarily out of emotions. Now, good traders in any trading style have to learn to manage their emotions. But in day trading, these are super, super heightened. And if you're just finding, oh man, I'm just getting cooked, I'm getting burnt out, I'm feeling really high swings, really low swings, then that is a sign of the day trader, right? When we don't have a system, when we're winging it, when we don't really have the time, when we don't have a coach, and we don't know what we're getting into, all of these factors, they compound. It's very well meaning to say, I really want to do something that's effective with my money for me and my family. I heard about this. You were courageous enough to think about it, courageous enough to start and even try. I actually really applaud that. I love that. This isn't meant to be a discouragement from the market in any way. This is what we do here at TRADEway. We love this. But again, this particular side of the market, this particular approach can take an emotional toll, particularly when we just don't know what we're doing. So, that is a very good sign, if this one's coming up for you, that there is a need to look at another way of trading that can take those emotional levels down significantly. And hey, if you're one of those people that's in that space, then this is good news, and we've got that for you. Sign number 5, okay? Let's just cut to the quick here. You just don't enjoy it, right? You want to make money, but you just don't enjoy it, right? You're like, I feel like I'm forcing it. I'm not having any fun. Now, good stock trading isn't supposed to actually feel super emotional. We talked about that in the last point, but we should be enjoying what we're doing. Here at TRADEway, we like trading. So we want to have a style that fits our life, that connects us with others, and actually has some enjoyment to it. Okay. Even when we face challenges as people in any area of life, when we're trying to accomplish and achieve something, yes, there are challenges, but we can find a place of joy and peace in the middle of those challenges. If you're doing this and you're going, man, I am just worn out, then that is a very good sign. You're just starting in a place that's really, really difficult, not designed for beginners. So, if you're feeling this level of emotion, one of the things is most people I've talked to are like, well, what else do we do? Okay. If I don't have a coach, if I'm winging it, if I don't have the time, if I don't have a system, if I'm feeling highly emotional, it's taking a toll. I'm not even enjoying myself. But you know what? I just want to create a better financial future for my family. And the stock market is a powerful thing. So I really want to see what it can do for me. Or I've been in the markets and I really want to make it work. Well, good news. Okay. Because this is exactly what we help people do. And we help them avoid the 5 things that I just talked about with you. If you're at a place where you say, I'm ready to learn a different way, okay, less emotions, more flexibility for your schedule. We like to say, set it and forget it. Okay. How do we set it and walk away from the screen? Okay. Check out my free masterclass here at TRADEway, Becoming a Trader, the 4 essential skills that you're going to need to become a great stock trader. I'm going to give you what the 4 essential skills every trader has. That means it's never guessing, it's never gambling, it's never just going for it. You can start watching now at tradeway.com/masterclass to get started. I'll see you there. We'll cover those 4 things. We'll move out of what we've been doing and into the new and powerful thing that we could be doing so that we can learn what we need to learn to get to where we want to go.